I've been asked to share with you a little bit of my testimony.
Man pavaicāja, vai es varu ar jums padalīties ar savu liecību.
And when I was thinking of what to say and how to share, I was reminded of my trip this morning.
Un, kad es domāju par to, ko es varētu liecināt jums un kā dalīties, tad es atcerējos par šodienas ceļu uz šejieni.
I had to swim.
Man vajadzēja peldēt.
No, I didn't know.
Nē, nevajadzēja.
I had to get the plane
Man vajadzēja līdz mašīnā tikt
from London to Riga.
no Londonas uz Rīgu.
And I had to think about what to pack in my bag, in my case.
Un man vajadzēja izdomāt, ko man vajag manā bagāžā sapakot.
And it's like life.
Un tas ir kā dzīvē.
We pack for life.
Mēs sapakojam lietas dzīvei.
All of you young folk are packing by going to school. You're preparing for your future, your life. You're packing for life.
Visi jūs sagatavojaties savai dzīvei, savai skolai, saliekat lietas, ko jums vajag.
Because life is a journey.
Jo dzīve ir kā ceļojums.
So I packed this morning thinking, what do I need for this trip?
Tāpēc šorīt, kad es domāju, ko man vajag šiem ceļojumam,
And then I go off to the airport.
un tad es devos uz lidmašīnu. Nevis lidmašīnu, bet uz lidostu.
The first thing we do at the airport is to get rid of the case that we've packed.
Pirmā lieta, ko mēs darām ierodoties, mēs mēģinām atbrīvoties no savas bagāžas.
And when I get to the airport, I'm presented with a screen explaining about bombs and drugs and knives and guns, asking if I have any of those in my bag.
Un, kad es ierodos, tad man uzreiz ir vieta, kur man ir jāpaskatās, kas nedrīkst būt manā koferī. Tātad eksplozīvās lietas, naži un citas lietas, kuras varētu kaitēt.
Which of course I don't.
Un, protams, ka man nav.
So my bag disappears,
Tāpēc mana summa pazūd,
and then I go through security
un es eju cauri drošības pārbaudei.
and enjoy breakfast at duty free.
Un es izbaudu savus brokastis duty free zonā.
I fly to Riga,
Es atlidoju uz Rīgu,
and the first thing I do after clearing customs is to head for baggage reclaim
un pirmā lieta pēc muitas pārbaudas, ko es daru, es eju pēc savas summas,
to get my bag.
lai paņemtu savu summu.
And when we go there is the carousel,
Un, kad es dodos tur ir tā lete,
and we always get nervous and we jostle for position to get our bags first.
un tad ir tā vieta, kur mēs esam jau nervozi, mēs gribam būt tie, kas pirmie paspēja pēc savas summas.
And then we have to wait.
Un tad mums ir jāgaida.
And whilst we wait, we think,
Un kamēr mēs gaidām, mēs domājam.
and we'll always have the same question in my head.
Un man vienmēr ir viens jautājums manā galvā.
What if my bag didn't make the flight?
Jā, nu mana
Jā.
summa nebija tajā lidmašīnā.
So I'm now getting a bit anxious.
Un šobrīd es jau sāku uztraukties.
And then the carousel starts moving and the bags start appearing.
Un tad tās lete jau sāk kustēties, un es redzu jau kaut kādas summas.
And we check every bag.
Un mēs skatāmies katru summu tā.
And hundreds of bags are going past, but not mine.
Un simtiem summu iet garām, un nav manējās.
And then finally my bag appears round the bend.
Un tad beidzot parādās mana summa.
Yes!
Yes!
But then panic sets in
Bet tad panika.
because I think I have one chance only to get my bag,
Jo man liekas, ka man tikai viena iespēja, lai paņemtu to savu summu.
but it will go round again.
Bet tā ies atpakaļ.
But it's...
Nav vajadzīgs teikums.
And off we go.
Un dodamies tālāk.
But yet there's still customs.
Bet vēl joprojām vajag iziet cauri pārbaudei.
Green zone or red zone?
Zaļā zona vai sarkanā zona?
We always choose green.
Mēs vienmēr izvēlamies zaļo.
So as I walked through green zone,
Kamēr es eju cauri zaļajai zonai,
a customs officer
muitas pārvaldnieks
asked to see inside my bag.
grib redzēt kaut ko manā somā.
Okay.
Labi.
I was not happy because I didn't want people looking at my underwear as they go past.
Es nebiju laimīgs, jo es negribēju, lai cilvēki, kur iet garām, skatās, kas tur manā apakšveļā notiek.
But they opened my bag,
Bet tie atver manu koferi.
and they're nicely packed next to my underwear
Un tad turpat blakus pie manas apakšveļas
was 7 kilos of heroin.
7 kg ar heroīnu.
That's not mine.
Tie nav manējie.
I did not put there.
Es tos tur nenoliku.
Somebody's done that.
Kāds to izdarīja?
But it was my responsibility because at the airport in London, I made a declaration that my bag is safe to travel.
Bet tā bija mana atbildība, jo tur Londonas lidostā es parakstījos, ka man nav nekādu nelegālu lietu un es varu doties ar savu somu mierīgi.
Now, of course, it didn't really happen because I wouldn't be standing here now.
Protams, tas nenotika, jo citādāk es nebūtu šeit.
But it's like life.
Bet kā jau dzīvē,
Sometimes in life,
dažreiz
people put stuff in your bag,
citi cilvēki ieliek lietas mūsu somās,
baggage.
bagāžā.
We all have baggage.
Mums visiem ir bagāža.
As we travel through our journey, things happen in our lives
Kamēr mēs ejam cauri savam ceļojumam dzīvē, lietas notiek.
that are mostly put there by other people.
Notiek lietas, kas dažreiz un diezgan bieži ir ieliktas no citiem cilvēkiem.
And what we tend to do is we pack this hurt, pain, rejection, fear down.
Un kas notiek? Mēs bieži vien noliekam tās sāpes, ciešanas, bailes, dziļāk nospiežam sevī.
And we shut the lid, the suitcase of our life,
Un mēs aiztaisam šo vāku ciet
and stick up a mask.
un uzliekam virsū masku.
And we carry around pain and rejection and fear.
Un mēs ejam ar to sāpi, ar atraidījumu un to bailēm.
But that's never God's plan.
Bet tas nekad nav bijis Dieva plāns.
Jesus wants to set you free.
Jēzus vēlas tevi atbrīvot.
He came to set you free.
Viņš nāca, lai tevi atbrīvotu.
But church is full of broken people.
Bet draudz ir pilna ar salauztiem cilvēkiem.
And I was one of them.
Un es biju viens no tiem.
One of the most common reasons why people carry negativity and rejection in their lives
Viens no populārākajiem iemesliem, kāpēc cilvēki nesā šo te negativitāti savās dzīvēs,
is because it's put there by family,
tas ir tāpēc, ka tas ir ielikts no viņu ģimenes,
relationships,
no attiecībām.
and very commonly
Un ļoti bieži
the father.
no tēva.
Now, we don't have very many people here,
Mums nav šeit ļoti daudz cilvēku,
but I do know
bet es zinu,
there'll be people here that do not feel happy when they hear the word father.
šeit ir cilvēki, kuri nav priecīgi, kad viņi dzird vārdu tēvs.
That was me.
Un tas bija es.
The word father brought tears and fear.
Vārds tēvs raisīja manī asaras un bailes.
My natural father left home when I was 2 years old.
Mans īstais tēvs pamet māju, kad man bija 2 gadi.
I didn't know anything of him at that time,
Es neko nezināju par viņu tajā laikā,
but he would visit on a very regular basis.
bet viņš diezgan bieži apciemoja.
He would come to my house
Viņš nāca pie mums uz
every
mājām
weekend,
katru nedēļu,
but only to visit my brother.
bet tikai lai apciemotu manu brāli.
And all through my life, I watched my dad collect my brother.
Un visu dzīvi es esmu skatījies, kā mans tēvs rūpējās par manu brāli.
And he chose, for whatever reasons, to leave me at home.
Un nezinām iemeslu dēļ viņš izvēlējās atstāt mani mājās, kamēr aizved kaut kur manu brāli.
And I'd cry to my mum, why does dad do that to me?
Un es raudāju vai mammai un prasīju, kāpēc tēvs to nodara man.
And she would speak to him,
Un viņa teiktu viņam,
and occasionally he would take me out also.
tad viņi parunāja ar tēvu, un tad dažreiz viņš viņu paņēma līdzi.
But the favoritism towards my brother was so strong,
Bet tā labbūtība pret manu brāli bija tik stipra,
it became easier for me to stay at home.
ka man palika vieglāk palikt mājās.
Meanwhile, my mum remarried,
Tajā pašā laikā mana mamma apprecējās,
and my stepfather loved my mum passionately,
un mans patēvs mīlēja manu māmu ļoti.
but he didn't want 2 boys in his life.
Bet viņš negribēja 2 bērnus savā dzīvē.
To me and my brother, he was very aggressive,
Pret mani un manu brāli viņš bija ļoti agresīvs,
and very loud and very threatening.
ļoti skaļš un ļoti arī biedējošs, iebiedēja.
So that word father to me was tears from my real dad and fear from my stepdad.
Tāpēc tas tēvs bija asaras pret manu īsto tēvu un bailes pret manu patēvu.
I have never heard in my life the words, son, I love you, son, I'm proud of you.
Es nekad savā dzīvē nebiju dzirdējis vārdus: dēls, man ir prieks par tevi, dēls, es mīlu tevi.
So I grow up a victim.
Tāpēc es pieaugu kā upuris.
My identity was that I am useless.
Mana identitāte bija, ka es esmu nekam nevajadzīgs.
And it still is my default identity if I'm not careful.
Un tā vēl joprojām pēc noklusējuma ir mana identitāte, ja es neesmu uzmanīgs.
where I try to please people
Kad es mēģinu kādam izpatikt,
rather than please God.
vairāk nekā izpatikt pašam Dievam.
But I know
Bet
that
es
that
zinu,
is not true.
ka tā nav patiesība.
I know I am a child of God,
Es zinu, ka es esmu Dieva bērns.
and so are you.
Un tāpat esat arī jūs,
Children of God.
Dieva bērni.
When Jesus was baptized,
Kad Jēzus tika kristīts,
Heavenly Father spoke these words publicly.
debesu Tēvs teica šos vārdus publiski.
This is my son,
Šis ir mans dēls,
in whom I am well pleased.
ar kuru es esmu ļoti iepriecināts.
We are heirs through Christ,
Mēs esam mantinieki caur Jēzu,
sons and daughters
dēlu un meitas,
of the Most High God.
pašam lielākajam Dievam.
But the devil,
Bet vēlns,
when Jesus went into the wilderness,
kad Jēzus devās tuksnesī,
challenged that very statement.
mēģināja apšaubīt tieši to pašu teikumu.
If you are the Son of God, he said.
Ja tu esi Dieva dēls,
And I believe that so many times we are too easy to hear those words.
un manuprāt, mēs ļoti bieži pārāk viegli ieklausāmies tajos vārdos.
Rather than hear, I am well pleased,
Labāk nekā dzirdam no Dieva, ka Viņš saka, man tik ļoti iepriecina mans bērns.
you are beautiful,
Tu esi skaists,
you are amazing,
tu esi brīnišķīgs,
you are fantastic,
tu esi fantastisks,
and I love you.
un es tevi mīlu.
We tend to use our earthly senses
Mums ir tieksme izmantot savas
and say, yes, but
zemiskās lietas un acis un teikt, jā, bet
I'm ugly,
es esmu neglīts,
I'm stupid,
es neesmu gudrs,
I'm useless,
es neesmu nekam derīgs,
I can't do this.
es nevaru to izdarīt.
And that's what I did.
Un to es arī darīju.
When I became a Christian in my early 20s,
Kad savos agros 20 gados kļuvu par kristieti,
I was invited to a church service
es tiku uzaicināts uz draudzes dievkalpojumu.
by a girlfriend I had at that time.
Man uzaicināja man draudzene, kas bija tajā laikā.
I didn't want to go.
Es negribēju iet.
I didn't do church.
Es nedaru baznīcu.
To me, church was boring.
Man draudz bija garlaicīga.
To me, church was singing hymns
Man draudz bija dziedāt himnas
in a big church
lielā draudzē,
with a 200-foot organ.
jā, ar 200 metru garu, nu labi, metru ne, bet 200 futu garu ērģeli.
Played by a 2-foot, 90-year-old person.
To spēlēja tāds cilvēks.
And the vicar, priest.
Un priesteris,
We are gathered here today.
mēs esam pulcējušies šeit.
That's what I believe church was.
Tāds man bija iedoms, kas ir baznīca.
So I didn't want to go,
Tāpēc es negribēju doties.
but I went
Bet es
because
aizgāju.
I wanted to please the
Jo
girlfriend.
es vēlējos iepriecināt savu draudzeni.
And as I walked into the church,
Un tā kā es iegāju draudzē,
a man shook my hand. He said, "Welcome, young man."
un kāds vīrs man sagaidīja, paspied man roku un teica, nāc, laipni lūgts.
I thought that was friendly.
Ok, tas bija draudzīgi.
And as I walked in, there was drum kits and guitars and pianos and a saxophone.
Un, kad es iegāju, bija šāds skats, bija bungas un saksofons un klavieris.
And people were praising God.
Un cilvēki priecājās un slavēja kungu.
And people were happy.
Un cilvēki bija laimīgi.
I thought all Christians were miserable.
Es domāju, ka visi kristieši ir nolemti.
I thought it was a command
Man likās, ka tur ir kaut kāda
signed in blood. Thou
pavēles.
shall be miserable.
Jā, ka mums vajag būt nolemtiem, nelaimīgiem.
But here were people just praising God and were happy.
Bet te šeit cilvēki bija priecīgi un slavēja to kungu.
And I thought church was okay.
Un es domāju, draudz ir ok.
But as I walked out the door, my life changed.
Bet kā es izgāju no durvīm, tad man dzīve izmainījās.
Because the man went to shake my hand to say thank you for coming.
Bet tur tas cilvēks sarokojās ar mani un teica, paldies, ka atnāc.
But as he did so, God spoke to him
Bet kā viņš to izdarīja, Dievs runāja uz viņu.
and said, "Give this man a hug.
Un viņš pateica, samīļo šo vīru.
Thanks for coming."
Paldies, ka atnāc.
And you do that awkward pat thing.
Es zinu, ka jūs tā papliķējat to muguru neveikli,
But I started to cry
bet es sāku raudāt.
because I always wondered, what does a daddy hug feel like?
Jo es vienmēr biju domājis, kā tā tēva mīlestība caur apskāvienu jūtas.
And I know he wasn't my dad,
Un es zinu, viņš nebija mans tēvs,
but he was a father figure.
bet viņš bija kā tēva figūra.
And eventually it was, yeah, cheers, thank you.
Un tad es vienkārši, jā, paldies, jā.
Yeah. Every ounce of my body
Katra mana šūna
wanted to go back and say, can we do that again?
grib aiziet atpakaļ un teikt, vai mēs to varam vēlreiz pamēģināt?
But I couldn't.
Bet es nevarēju.
So I went back the following Sunday
Tāpēc es devos nākamajā svētdienā,
and I become a hug freak.
un es kļuvu par apskāvienu
I
frīku.
hugged everything that moved in that church building.
Es apskauju katru, kas kustējās tajā draudzē.
And then the third week I gave my life to God.
Un trešajā nedēļā es atdevu savu dzīvi Jēzum.
And it wasn't because of hymns and songs and music.
Un tas nebija tāpēc, ka himnas un dziesmas un mūzika.
It was because I saw Jesus in the people in that church.
Tas bija tāpēc, ka es redzēju Jēzu cilvēkos draudzē.
They were Jesus to me.
Viņi bija Jēzus man,
Love.
mīlestība.
But then they kept telling me how much Father God loved me.
Bet tad viņi nebeidz teikt, cik ļoti tēvs mani mīl.
And then it became a challenge.
Un tad tas tapa par izaicinājumu.
How could God love me?
Kā Dievs var mani mīlēt?
Because my flesh was telling me,
Jo mana miesa man teica,
are you really loved by God?
vai tu tiešām esi mīlēts no Dieva?
Of course not.
Nu, protams, ka nē.
You're stupid.
Tu neesi gudrs.
You're bald.
Tu esi
You're
neglīts, pārgalvīgs.
That's when you say, no, you're not.
Tā ir vieta, kur tu saki, nē, es neesmu.
Do you get me?
Vai jūs mani saprotat?
I said I'm bald and yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Es nezinu, vai es tā drīkst tulkot.
It's taken a long journey
Tas bija garš ceļš,
to understand
lai saprastu,
that I have a choice.
ka man ir izvēle.
I can choose to live by flesh
Es varu izvēlēties dzīvot miesā,
or I can live by spirit.
vai es varu dzīvot garā.
And it is a battle.
Un tā ir cīņa.
But if I choose to live by spirit,
Bet ja es izvēlos dzīvot garā,
I'm not a victim,
es neesmu upuris.
I'm a victor.
Es esmu uzvarētājs.
I am amazing.
Es esmu brīnišķīgs.
I can do all things in
Es varu
Christ,
darīt visas lietas viņā.
and so can you.
Un tāpat var arī tu.
If you know Jesus,
Ja tu zini Jēzu,
you have his spirit in you.
tevī ir viņa gars.
The same spirit that rose Jesus from the dead
Tas pats gars, kurš uzcēla viņu no mirušajiem,
is in you.
ir tevī.
Then why do we still look at ourselves
Tad kāpēc mēs vēl joprojām skatāmies uz sevi
through filters of human flesh?
ar miesas filtru?
We need to look at each other through the lens that God sees us.
Un mums vajadzētu skatīties uz mums visiem caur to, kā Dievs skatās uz mums.
All of us are incredible.
Visi mēs esam brīnišķīgi.
All of us are beautiful.
Mēs visi esam skaisti.
What's your name, young lady?
Kā tev sauc?
Yeah.
Beatrice.
Beatrice. Beatrice, you are amazing.
Beatrice, tu esi brīnišķīga.
You are fantastic.
Fantastiski.
And you need to know how beautiful that you are.
Un tev vajag zināt, cik tu esi skaista.
You see, I can't go to Lidl. Do you have Lidl here? Yeah, Lidl, yeah? Yeah.
Lidls.
I
Jā,
can't
mums
go
ir.
to Lidl and buy a new Beatrice.
Viņš nevar aiziet uz Lidlu un nopirkt jaunu Beatrici.
There she is.
Bet tur viņi ir.
Priceless.
Bez cenas.
Unique.
Unikāli.
And I'm only picking on you because you're right in front of me.
Un es izvēlējos tikai tev, tāpēc, ka tu esi tieši man pretī.
What's your name?
Kā tev sauc? Emīls.
Emias. You're fantastic.
Tu esi brīnišķīgs.
You are awesome.
Fantastisks.
Because I'm seeing you through God's eyes.
Ja es redzu
I
tevi
don't know
caur
you.
dievacīm, es nepazīstu tevi.
Do you see what I'm saying
Vai
here?
jūs saprotat, ko es saku?
We so often criticize and judge people. We so often look through filters of flesh.
Mēs tik bieži kritizējam un notiesājam cilvēkus caur miesas filtru,
But let's learn to look through the filters of Him.
bet iemācīsimies skatīties tā, kā
how-
Dievs skatās.
Incredible you are.
Uz to, cik mēs esam brīnišķīgi,
Because you're made in His image.
jo mēs esam radīti viņa līdzībā.
That doesn't mean to say we can go and eat 500 cream cakes.
Tas nenozīmē, ka mēs varam ēst 500 krēmkūciņus.
We still have a responsibility for the temple that homes the Holy Spirit.
Mums vēl joprojām ir atbildība par mūsu svētā gara mājokli.
But I hope this evening
Bet es ceru, ka šajā vakarā,
that you can leave these doors
kad tu izies ārpus šīs telpas
knowing how incredibly fantastic you are,
un zinās, cik ļoti fantastisks tu esi,
because you're children
jo tu esi
of the Most High God.
Dieva dēls.